Hello guys, once again welcome to the Global Agri Point. I am Renu with the 30 questions of the plant science. Let's start the questions. The first question is the father of plant tissue culture. Father of plant tissue cultures, option is the Haberland, Theophrastus, Mendel, Aristotle. The answer is the Haberland. Next is the father of botany. Option is Haberland, Theophrastus, Mendel, Aristotle. Answer is the Theophrastus. Father of genetics is the option is Haberland, Theophrastus, Mendel, Aristotle. Answer is the Mendel. Next is the father of zoology is the option is Haberland, Theophrastus, Mendel, Aristotle. Answer is the Aristotle. Next is the segregation occur during meiosis first, meiosis second, mitosis first and mitosis second. Segregations means two chromosome pair present at equatorial plate and attached to the spindle fiber, and they separate from each other. This is called the segregation. This is called segregation, and this segregation is take place during anaphase first, which come under meiosis first. So answer is the meiosis first. Longest mitotic phase is option is anaphase, metaphase, prophase, telophase. Answer is the prophase. Next is the physical basis of life is the matrix, protoplasm, cell and none. Answer is protoplasm. Eighth is the site of protein synthesis. Site of protein synthesis is option is ribosome, lysosome, glyoxysome, peroxisome. Ribosome. Main function of the ribosome is the protein synthesis. Lysosome. Lysosome degrade the bacteria and food material. Glyoxysome metabolize the fat. Peroxisome involved in the fixation of the oxygen at the place of the carbon dioxide. So answer is the ribosomes. Next is the fat metabolism occurring option in ribosome, lysosomes, glyoxysome, peroxisome. As we discussed earlier, the option is the fat metabolism occur in organelles, glyoxysomes. Next is the alternate form of a gene is known as a pairing of a gene, gene cloning, allele, none. Pairing means two chromosome or two gene come to each other and arrange parallel to each other. This is known as a pairing. Gene cloning a segment we inserted into the vector, and this vector go into the host. And this whole process is known as a gene cloning. Next is the allele. Allele is the alternate form, means A is the one allele, one gene. Its alternate form small a is known as allele. So answer is the alternate form of a gene is allele. Next is the theory of natural selection was proposed by the option is William, Darwin, Lamarck and none. Answer is the Darwin. A gene affecting more than one character is known as the option is multiple gene, initial gene, pleiotropy and modifier gene. Multiple genes means more than one type of gene, like blood group having the 3 genes. Initial gene, which are present before their alternate forms, is known as the initial gene. After mutation they converted into different allele forms. Pleiotropy, a gene having the gene affecting more than one character is known as a pleiotropy. Next is the modifier gene. Modifier gene is the gene which modify the expression, change the expression of the major gene, is known as a modifier gene. So answer is the pleiotropy. Next is the TIF23A induced male sterility in option is pearl millet, sorghum, both and none. Answer is the pearl millet. Theory of acquired character was proposed. Acquired character means any character which we gain in their life is inherited to their progeny, is known as acquired character. So answer is William, Darwin, Lamarck, and none. Answer is the Lamarck. Pure line is means this condition. Individual is homozygous. In pure line population, all the individual are all having this type of genotype, so all are same. So population is homogeneous. So answer is the homozygous individual and homogeneous population. A hybrid is heterozygous individual and all the individuals of a population having this genotype, so all having the similar type of genotype, so population is homogeneous. So answer is heterozygous individual and homogeneous population. Next is the cell is discovered by the option is Robert Hooke, Robert Brown, William Thomas. None of these is answer is the Robert Hooke. DNA synthesis take place during the phase. Option is S phase, G1 phase, G2 phase, and none. S phase is the major help in the DNA synthesis. G1 phase and G2 phase synthesize the different type of materials, proteins, which is required for the cell division. So answer is the S phase. Tetrad formation. Tetrad means appearance of the 4-segment 4-chromatid of the paired homologous chromosomes. This occur during the prophase first of meiosis stage. So answer is the prophase. Chiasmata formation take place. Chiasma formation take place after the crossing over. When the two chromatid after the crossing over attached a point, this point is known as a chiasmata, and this take place during option is the prophase, anaphase, metaphase, and Pectine. During the Pectine stage, crossing over take place, and so answer is the prophase. Next is the glycolysis occurring with option is mitochondria, cytoplasm, grana, and none. Answer is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the place where glycolysis means breakdown of glucose into the pyruvic acid. It is common step in respiration in both aerobic and anaerobic organism. So answer is the cytoplasm. Next is the same. Monosomy. Monosomy means normal organism having 2n chromosome, and in monosomy it having 1 chromosome less than 2n. So answer is the 2n minus 1. Trisomy is the opposite condition of monosomy. It is having 1 extra chromosome. So answer is the 2n plus 1. Nullisomics. Nullisomics means nullisomy is the condition in which organism having a pair less than 1 pair of chromosome means minus 2. So answer is minus 2. Tetrasomy is opposite of nullisomy, having the 2 chromosome extra or 1 pair of chromosome extra. So 2n plus 2. Chiasmata scene take place in option is prophase, diplophase, metaphase, and Pectine phase. At Pectine, crossing over will take place. After the crossing over, the process is called terminalization, means separation of the segments of the crossed segment of crossed chromatid or segment take place. This process is called terminalization. At the initiation of the terminalization, we can see the chiasmata. So this is the stage of the diplotin where chiasmata or terminalization process will start up. Next is the test cross. Test cross is the type of back cross. In back cross, F1 is crossed with either of their dominant parent or recessive parent. But in test cross, F1 is crossed with to the recessive parent. So answer is the F1 into recessive parent. Next is the cell theory is given by the Beer and Sweden, Swan and Sweden, Sladen and Sweden, Darwin. The answer is the Sladen and Sweden given the cell theory. Prokaryotes have the ribosomes. Option is 70s, 80s, both and none. Answer is the 70s. 80s is present in the eukaryotic organism. So thank you guys. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.